Hello, welcome to the Mark Janad Show, the cybersecurity show. In this video, I'm going to talk about bug bounty programs where you can make easy hundreds of dollars, potentially expand your knowledge, and hopefully these programs teach you how to bug bounty. So without further ado, let's get right into it. You know we're going dark. So bug bounty programs offer monetary rewards to ethical hackers for successfully discovering and reporting a vulnerability or bug to the application's developer. Bug bounty programs allow companies to leverage the hacker community to improve their system security posture over time. So here are some popular bug bounty programs for 2024. Number one, HackerOne. And HackerOne is a hacker-powered security platform helping organizations find and fix critical vulnerabilities before they can be exploited, from the company of the same name and San Francisco. Number two, Bug Bounter. Bug Bounter is a crowdsourced security platform that networks the crowd of freelance security researchers and security organizations with corporations and institutions from the company of the same name headquartered in Estonia. Number three, Bug Crowd. San Francisco-based Bug Crowd offers a bug bounty platform for vulnerability management. Number four, Nordic Defender Bug Bounties. So what is a bug bounty solution? In short, a bug bounty solution serves as a unique opportunity for companies to call upon security experts and ethical hackers to take on the task of detecting security bugs and vulnerabilities and introducing patches in exchange for a reward. Number five, SINAC, which is in Redwood City, California, and it offers the SINAC crowdsourced security testing platform, which they describe as providing a comprehensive continuous penetration test with actionable results and a sense of adversarial perspective. Number six, YesWeHack. Founded in 2015, YesWeHack is a global bug bounty and VDP platform. YesWeHack offers companies an innovative approach to cybersecurity with bug bounties, so pay per vulnerability discovered, connecting more than 45,000 cybersecurity experts, ethical hackers across 170 countries. Number seven, Safe Hats. And Safe Hats, which is a product of InstaSafe. Now, it promises to help security conscious enterprises, financial institutions, and governments to leverage the power of security researcher community to discover and fix critical vulnerabilities in their digital assets faster and more effectively. Number eight, Open Bug Bounty. This intermediate, cost-free, and community-driven bug bounty platform for coordinated, responsible, and ISO 29147 compatible vulnerability disclosure. 862,000 roughly coordinated disclosures and 488,000 roughly fixed vulnerabilities. Now, number nine, Hacken Proof. And Hacken Proof is a Web3 bug bounty platform 2022 that connects crypto projects to a large communities of ethical hackers via the vulnerability coordination platform. The solution aims to reduce the risk of a security incident by working with bug bounty, VDP, and pen test solutions. Now, number 10, Secure Bug. Fully managed end-to-end Secure Bug provides end-to-end support for every intelligent discovery, NGP, and bug bounty program. This is the case from pen tester selection to vulnerability triage, retesting, and reporting. Number 11, Integrity. Integrity is an ethical hacking and bug bounty platform operating primarily in European Union, allowing users to carry out research and conduct security evaluations. Number 12, Topcoder, which is a YPro company, and Topcoder is an online crowdsourcing community boasting 1 million plus developers, designers, and data scientists. Topcoder provides talent on demand, including data scientists, testers, crowdsourced testing, etc. So those what I could gather. Do you have better ones? Let me know in the comment section below. Please hit the subscribe button. Please hit the notification bell. I appreciate your viewership and see you in the next video.